Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of Smudge's videos, then hit that subscribe button below and set the alert icon to all. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you in the comments.